Hello, boys and girls, and happy Friday! You'll be glad to know that my ears are back to normal. Thank goodness. All right, let's begin with another exciting lesson in ELA with Mrs. Inman. You're going to need your mentor text, a pencil, and a highlighter. Grab those things, please. All right, our goal today is I can use context clues within a sentence to determine the meaning of domain-specific words. You're probably thinking, what does that mean, Mrs. Inman? I'm about to tell you. Context clues are words, phrases, or sentences that help us define unfamiliar words in a text, words we don't know. So you have a type of clue. It could be a definition or a synonym. And what you should be looking for in the text are these words right here. Called, which, that, is, are, or. Then you've got restatements. And helps us determine that, that could possibly lead to my definition. And the word or, that's another one. So you'll look in the text and you'll be looking for those words next to or nearby words that you may not know. Here's our example. This paragraph, I see a word that we got as a vocabulary word yesterday. Regulate. Looking through there, do you see a word that is a clue that could help us maybe understand what this word means? You do? I see it too. And, well, let's take a look at that. So, regulate child labor and set limits on the amount that children could work. I see the evidence. Set limits on the amount that children could work. So regulate, our connection, our context clue is and it helps us to know that regulate means to set limits on. All right, now we're back to this page. Conjunctions like the word or. So let's take a look at this because it's your turn. Read page 19, paragraph 3. Circle the word mandatory. And then what does the word mandatory mean based off of the restatement? Now remember, the restatement uses the word and or the word or. Okay, you're circling the word mandatory right here. And then you're going to look around and see if you see any of those context clues. Highlight your evidence. Pause now and do that. Welcome back. All right, here we go. There's our word, mandatory. I'm looking around there and I do see a restatement. Do you? The word and is our context clue. And thought the government should punish parents for keeping children out of school. So, mandatory, if they're being kept out of school, if they're being punished for keeping, so that must mean enforce a rule or law. Mandatory. You must do it. It's a law or a rule. Okay, so I want you to evaluate your learning on our goal. I can use context clues within a sentence to determine the meaning of domain-specific words. We're back to our 4, 3, 2, 1. Think about what I taught you and what you learned. Are you a 4? I got this. I can teach it. Are you a 3? I can do this on my own. Are you a 2? I can do it with help. Or are you a 1? I'm still confused. Make sure you make a little note of that in the upper corner of your mentor text. Have a great day.